Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you how to configure OpenCode through Ollama free API key. So Ollama also provide a free API key. If you don't know, Ollama is a website where you can download any model directly locally inside your machine. But they also have a Ollama cloud kind of a program. You simply log in with your Google account right here. I've already logged in. And once you log in, go to settings, and right here you will see cloud usage. It is totally free, and you can use these models for totally free. And also, if you see, you can go to this key section, and right here you have the option to create an API key. So let me just delete this API key and create a new brand new API key. So just give it a name and click on generate API key. So through this Ollama Cloud API key, you can easily connect it through OpenCode AI model agent. So for that, you just need to create a opencode.json file in the directory in which you are developing the project. So you need to configure this. So right here, I will create a file here, opencode.json file. And I have given the code in the description of the video. So directly paste that code. And once you paste that code, you need to replace the API key. The base URL, as you see, I have set this to ollama.com/version1, and we are using Ollama Cloud. And it does provide you with an OpenAI compatible API that you can easily configure in OpenCode. So I fill out all the information. Right here, you need to replace the API key. So that I have shown you how to do this. So simply copy this API key. It is totally free to create. Simply log in with your Google account. Just create an account on ollama.com and paste this API key. That's all that you need to do. And now go to the terminal. And after you make these changes, just restart the terminal. And make sure that you have installed this AI coding agent, OpenCode. So if you don't have OpenCode, I will definitely simply type here OpenCode. You will see this AI open source AI coding agent. Simply install this. This just take 2 minutes to install. So you can simply execute this command npm-i-g opencode AI. So this will install this. So now let me just type OpenCode right here. So now as you will see, it will launch OpenCode directly in the terminal. And now after it launches, we can simply say, as you see, it is using Ollama Cloud. You can even say /models to actually see. And right here you search for Ollama Cloud. So basically, as you see, inside the search bar, all the models are fetching from Ollama Cloud. And you can simply select any model. Let's suppose I select here JAMA. So let me select this model, JAMA 4, which is coming through Ollama Cloud. So I simply ask it, send out a message, and basically you will see that it will respond to me. So you can see that, hello, how can I help you today? So basically I simply ask a question, top Node.js frameworks in 2026. So as you will see right here, it is really fast. As you see that you can ask top 10 PHP frameworks in 2026. So you will see that it's really fast. It is giving us responses for totally free because it is using this cloud usage. If you don't know, Ollama provides you with this usage. Every time it resets after this 3 hours in 6 days. So it exactly tells you which model you are using. So JAMA 431 billion parameter, we have made 4 requests. So automatically it resets after 3 hours and 6 days. So you get this usage. And let me just build out a complete image to PDF web app in browser with all options. and I will simply say create an index.html file. So right here we ask a question right here, build a complete image to PDF web app, and now it will try to build a complete application for us. So just after it builds out, it will give you a notification on the left hand side, the file is created. So now as you see, the image to PDF web app has been created. So you will see that index.html file has been successfully created. So almost 150 lines of code. It's really fast. So it has created this application for you. You can even switch to other models as well. So simply say slash models and simply search here Ollama. So these are all coming through Ollama Cloud. As you see that DeepSeek, Kimi K3, GLM 5.2, Kimi Pneumotron. So now as you will see, we are using Pneumotron 3 Ultra. So any model can be used. All the models which are coming through Ollama Cloud, you can directly use them. So the configuration is quite simple. You create a OpenCode.json file. I have given the code in the description, and you just need to replace the API key. So simply get the API key from the dashboard that I showed you how to go to. Just go to keys and get your own API key. So and then you can switch to other models. So some models will be protected by a subscription. So if you try to select GLM, so for that I think this model requires a subscription. So some models are protected by a subscription. So if you do have Ollama Cloud subscription, so you can simply use this section right here. If you go to billing section, so they have their own subscription as well. So in the free plan, you get some limited models. So in the pro plan, $20 per month, you get all the models, and they also have the max plan as well. So some models will be protected by a subscription. So you need to be mindful of that. So if I select here Minimax, so now as you see Minimax is actually available. So I will simply say build a complete PDF editor. So we want to create a complete PDF editor. So I am just simply stating it to create an index.2.html. So now as you will see, it will create a complete PDF editor. So I'm just showing you examples that this Ollama Cloud does work if you are looking forward for building production ready applications. So this is not just, as you see, it's very fast. It's created this application almost to 263 lines of code. So the speed is very fast. If you're looking forward for a alternative, you can totally use it for completely free. So it has built out a complete PDF editor in browser. You can see that. So thank you very much for watching this video.